Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye. Amelia's taking a nap, and we are the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Today, we're going to take a look at a micro drone. We had planned on going outside, but it just didn't work out with Amelia and her nap schedule. So we've got micro drones to hold us over for those bad weather days and bad baby days too. She's down long enough that I think we can get this in the air though. This is about $40. We'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to check it out for yourself. It is a folding arm little micro drone. It comes completely ready to fly. Unfortunately, some of you won't like this. It requires your phone. You have to use your phone to fly this and to get the FPV signal going, but there's a little camera mounted on front. So there we have it, folding and unfolding. I like the way it looks. First of all, I like the collar, but it also kind of looks like this little spaceship car. It's pretty neat. I like it. Again, it's Wi-Fi FPV. We have a power button on the bottom. The battery does have this little proprietary casing around it, so that's a big negative in my opinion, but if it has a good flight time, then that's okay. Also, this was kind of weird. To get to the battery, you have to pop this top off, and it doesn't like to come off all the way.
It's like popping the hood of the car.
Yeah, it's kind of strange, but it gets the job done, I guess. Then it's plugged in. So that's okay. There we go. That comes off all the way now. It does come with 4 spare props, a little instruction booklet, and then the included USB charge cable. You just plug this into the battery when it's not plugged into the drone. You can plug it in while it's plugged in, but I don't recommend it. I think you should take the battery out of the drone and then charge it. And then here is the box that everything comes in. Looks like a little iPhone box or something. And if you want the QR code, you can pause the video and scan that and see if the app will work on your phone or not. I think iOS is on the right side. We're gonna fly this and let you know if it's worth your hard-earned money or not. One thing I noticed was kind of cool when the arms are folded up. I didn't realize this until I was playing around with the power button, but check it out. It all unfolds, so that's pretty cool.
That's pretty neat. I like that.
Yeah.
Are you shaking to see if it moves?
Yeah.
Is this a hand-flown drone? No, it's a phone-flown drone.
Oh, well, Popeye's really sad, and he has every right to be. And I've got a question for you guys. This is where Abby and I question each other. First of all, should we even do this video? Because we cannot get this drone to turn on. Now, I'm sure that there are versions of this drone out there that will turn on and have no problems at all. But the thing about our channel is, whether we get a lemon, faulty product, a bad product, or an amazing product, we've always been there to tell you guys about it and to show you our full real life experience. Is this a situation where you guys think we should return the drone, make the effort to get it returned and try again? Or do you want to know about the experience when it won't turn on? I've read the instructions thoroughly. It's short press to open the arms, then you hold it long press to turn it on. There should be a light on the back of the drone telling me it's turning on. It definitely got a good charge, so I know the battery's charged. I think we have an issue with the drone.
Connection.
It seems to be making a good connection. I've wiggled this around, I've played around with it. I've tried a lot of different things, and keep in mind I've flown about 1,000 different drones, over half of which are probably toy grade drones. So I'm not able to turn this on, which means I definitely would not recommend it. If I'm getting one that has these issues, most likely you guys would be getting the issues too. So I really want to hear from you guys in the comments section about that. Moving forward, do we show you that stuff when they won't even turn on or not, and make the effort to return it and everything, and then maybe if we get the second one that won't turn on, we tell you guys about it.
Well, I mean, Nathan, you could at least let Popeye sniff it and pick it up.
Okay, come here. You want the drone? You can see the drone? He wants to see it fly. And I think everybody wanted to see it fly.
It's like, now, is that even a drone? What is going on?
I don't even know. What is real life? This isn't right. This isn't right. And, you know, we had a couple other things. We had this truck that we wanted to do for you guys, but I said that, you know, the weather was bad. So this was kind of our backup. Which I also had something else I wanted to mention, whether this was a good drone or not. While we're talking about feedback and hearing from you guys, I also want to know in the comments section below, we've heard a lot of requests to put some of our stuff on eBay. Things that we've liked in our past that we have kept for ourselves for whatever reason, you know, stuff that's been featured on our channel. We've done this before about a year ago. We sold some stuff on eBay. I want to know, are you guys interested in buying some of our stuff? Some people might not be interested at all, but to those of you that are, we'll have our eBay store linked in the description box below. Today, Amelia slept just a little chunk of time, and then Abby watched her for about an hour, and I was able to take some pictures and list some things on our eBay store. We're just gonna see how things go. When we sell something on eBay to a friend or to a club member or something, we generally take that money and put it toward our channel to get something new. Remember, companies like DJI, Parrot, those companies, they don't send us those crazy expensive things to be put on the channel. If you guys want to see that stuff, we have to buy that out of our own wallet, and to make that happen, we have to be able to sell some of our products to get the good stuff and even little stuff sometimes on our channel. So that will go back into the channel, and our medical bills are crazy high right now anyway, so funds are a little bit on the limited side of things. So eBay, we'll just try some eBay stuff. We'll see how it works. We'll have our eBay store linked in the description box below. You don't have to buy anything, you don't have to bid on anything. If you don't like the prices or whatever, you know, don't bid on anything, but I should have things fairly priced, I think. But I do have a minimum bid, and I'll have it set to however much you guys want it to go, but you might find something cheap, and take advantage of that if you do. So do you want to see the stuff even when it won't turn on our channel? Because we're totally honest with you guys. I don't care if it's a $60, $40, $20 little drone or a $1,000 drone. If we have issues with it, we want to tell you guys. We have a Xiaomi Fimi drone, and it's supposed to have a 25-minute flight time, yet we recently flew it again and got an 8.5-minute flight time, and that's not cool, so we tell you about that. It's a good drone, but the flight time's not there. And you know, something like that won't even turn on. But good chance to mention to you guys, since it's not a long video, eBay store. Linked in the description box below. If it goes okay, we might list a few more things. But I got a few things on there, so have fun shopping for 4 or 5 things. I think it's just like 5 things. By the time this video releases, I think all those things will have been released in public as well. So thank you for watching. We can't wait to hear from you guys. See you in the next video.